So we're just going to feeding up the pigs. So Ozzy's there with some feeding that is going to mix out to feed up the animals. Okay, so stay tuned guys, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel, the Sims World. Okay, so we're going to pack another cruise here as well. Yeah, so yes,
and your best friend.
I'm going to feed up the pigs. So stay tuned, as I said before. Like up the video, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to go and watch the Sims World. Alright, so I'm just showing you some of the pigs. Yeah, they already washed off to get their feed, because we don't feed them on dirty ground, guys. Yeah, you have to take care of them, you know, because they're so delicate. So they're getting ready for their feed. So them stay with us, so I eat up the wood. Look at those two there. Then just a heat down the pen. And we just repaired some of it the other day, and look at that. Can eat through the board. Yeah, them stay real bad. But yeah, look how fat they are. Look how fat they are. So I'm going to show you the rest of them. Alright, so I'm going to the other section of the pen. So you know, we have to mix out their feeding. They cook that they eat quite a lot of different feeding at once. I will feed them out. So this is drum that we store some of the feeding in. So different type of feeding in this. Yeah, so just mix it out and feed them. Alright, so look at that one there, so it's big. That's the brand. Show you some more. These are some more. So we're raising these ones to breed them. Yeah, we're raising these ones to breed them. That one over there, she's not feeling well, but we called a vet the other day, and yeah, basically yesterday, and then come and give her an injection. So we just watch her. She's not eating, so we just watch her. Alright, they're looking so good. Hey Ray, and this one name here is Ray. Alright, so stay tuned. When we're feeding them, I will let you all see. Remember, like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to go and watch the Sims World. Alright, Ray. Stop it fighting. Yeah.
Yes. Someone supposed to see this. Right.